China's appetite for construction is immense. This drive for development is not confined to its vast landmass but extends far into the ocean. The country's ambitious projects are reshaping coastlines and transforming the seascape in ways that are both awe-inspiring and concerning. It extends beyond its landmass, reaching into the ocean with a vision that is as grand as it is controversial. From artificial islands to sprawling ports, China's ocean construction projects are a testament to its engineering prowess and its relentless pursuit of growth. China is reshaping the seascape on an unprecedented scale. The transformation is visible from space, with new land masses appearing where there was once only water. This rapid development is driven by a combination of economic ambition and strategic necessity. Massive infrastructure projects like the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge stand as testaments to this ambition. This bridge, one of the longest sea-crossing bridges in the world, symbolizes China's ability to overcome natural barriers and connect distant regions. These projects rely heavily on concrete, a material with a substantial environmental footprint. The production of concrete is energy-intensive and releases significant amounts of carbon dioxide, contributing to global climate change. China's ocean construction boom raises crucial questions about its impact on the marine environment. The construction activities disrupt marine habitats, affecting the delicate balance of ocean ecosystems and threatening biodiversity. The sheer scale of these projects is staggering. From the creation of new islands to the expansion of existing ports, the scope of construction is vast and multifaceted, involving numerous stakeholders and vast resources. Artificial islands, ports, and bridges are transforming the coastal regions. These structures are not only engineering marvels but also strategic assets, enhancing China's maritime capabilities and economic reach. These structures require vast amounts of concrete, a material made from cement, a significant contributor to global carbon dioxide emissions. The environmental cost of such extensive use of concrete is a growing concern among environmentalists and scientists. China's use of concrete in ocean construction is unprecedented. The scale and speed at which these projects are being executed are unmatched, setting new benchmarks in the field of civil engineering. This raises concerns about the long-term consequences for marine ecosystems. The disruption of natural habitats and the potential for pollution pose significant risks to marine life and the health of the oceans. The environmental impact of this construction boom is a subject of intense scrutiny. Scientists, environmentalists, and policymakers are closely monitoring these developments, calling for sustainable practices and greater accountability to protect the marine environment for future generations. Concrete production is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. The process of making cement, a key ingredient in concrete, involves heating limestone to high temperatures, which releases large amounts of carbon dioxide. This contributes significantly to global warming and climate change. The cement industry alone accounts for a significant portion of global carbon dioxide emissions. In fact, it is estimated that the cement industry is responsible for about 8% of the world's total carbon emissions. This makes it one of the largest industrial sources of greenhouse gases. When concrete is used in ocean construction, it disrupts marine habitats. The construction activities can cause physical damage to the seabed and marine structures, leading to the destruction of habitats that are crucial for marine life. Coral reefs, seagrass beds, and other vital ecosystems are threatened. These ecosystems provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for a wide variety of marine species. The loss of these habitats can lead to a decline in marine biodiversity. The dumping of construction waste further exacerbates the problem. Construction debris can smother marine habitats, making it difficult for marine plants and animals to survive. This waste can also introduce harmful chemicals into the ocean, further polluting the water. This pollution chokes marine life and disrupts the delicate balance of the ocean. Fish and other marine animals can ingest or become entangled in the debris, leading to injury or death. The pollution also affects the health of the entire marine ecosystem. The environmental consequences of unchecked ocean construction are severe. The degradation of marine habitats and the pollution of ocean waters can have long-lasting impacts on marine life and the health of our oceans. Reduced water clarity and altered sedimentation patterns impact marine species' ability to thrive. Sediment clouds can block sunlight, which is essential for the growth of marine plants. This can disrupt the food chain and affect the entire marine ecosystem. The long-term health of our oceans is at stake. Protecting marine habitats and reducing pollution from construction activities are crucial steps in ensuring the sustainability of our oceans for future generations. While the negative impacts of ocean construction are evident, some unexpected outcomes have emerged. In certain instances, concrete structures have acted as artificial reefs. These structures provide habitats for marine life, inadvertently promoting biodiversity. However, these benefits are not always guaranteed. The type of concrete used, the design of the structures, and the surrounding environment all play a role in determining the ecological outcome. The unexpected consequences of ocean cement highlight the complex interplay between human activities and the marine environment. Further research is crucial to understand and mitigate the potential risks. Recognizing the environmental challenges, China is shifting towards a more sustainable development model. The government has implemented ambitious plans to reduce pollution and promote green initiatives. China's 2024 to 2025 action plan focuses on energy saving and carbon reduction. The plan sets ambitious targets for reducing energy consumption and carbon dioxide intensity. The cement industry is a key target for inclusion in the national carbon trading system. These initiatives signal a commitment to environmental responsibility. China's green pivot is crucial for the future of its own environment and the health of the planet. Section 5. Engineering a greener ocean innovations in sustainable construction. China is at the forefront of developing innovative solutions for sustainable ocean construction. Researchers are exploring new materials and construction techniques that minimize environmental impact. One promising area is the development of eco-friendly concrete alternatives. These materials have a lower carbon footprint and can even enhance marine biodiversity. By investing in research and development, China is paving the way for a future where ocean construction and environmental preservation go hand in hand. Section 6. Islands of Power. The geopolitical dimension of ocean construction. In recent years, the construction of artificial islands has become a focal point in global geopolitics. These man-made structures are not just feats of engineering, they are symbols of power and influence. China's ocean construction activities extend beyond economic development. They are part of a broader strategy to assert dominance in key maritime regions. By building these islands, China is not only creating new land but also new opportunities for military and economic control. The construction of artificial islands in disputed waters has raised geopolitical tensions. These waters are often claimed by multiple countries, leading to conflicts and diplomatic standoffs. The presence of these islands complicates the already delicate balance of power in these regions. These activities have strategic implications for regional security and international relations. The islands can serve as military bases, extending the reach of a nation's armed forces. They also act as surveillance outposts, monitoring the movements of other countries' ships and aircraft. The islands serve as strategic outposts, bolstering China's maritime claims and extending its sphere of influence. This has significant ramifications for trade routes, fishing rights, and access to underwater resources like oil and gas. This has led to concerns among neighboring countries and the international community. Nations like Vietnam, the Philippines, and Malaysia have voiced their objections, fearing that their own territorial claims are being undermined. The international community, including the United States and European Union, has also expressed alarm over these developments. The geopolitical dimension of ocean construction adds another layer of complexity to the issue. It is not just about who controls the land but also about who controls the sea and the resources it holds. This makes the stakes incredibly high for all parties involved. It underscores the need for international cooperation and dialogue to ensure peace and stability in the region. Diplomatic efforts, treaties, and international laws are essential to manage these disputes and prevent them from escalating into open conflict. Only through collaboration can we hope to navigate the complex waters of ocean construction and its geopolitical ramifications. Section 7. Charting a sustainable course, balancing development and preservation. China's ocean construction boom presents both opportunities and challenges. Balancing economic development with environmental preservation is crucial. Sustainable practices are essential to mitigate the negative impacts of ocean construction. This includes minimizing habitat destruction, reducing pollution, and promoting the use of eco-friendly materials. By prioritizing sustainability, China can harness the economic potential of ocean construction while safeguarding the health of our oceans for future generations. Section 8. The Global Ripple Effect. China's Impact on Ocean Policy. As a global leader in ocean construction, China's actions have far-reaching consequences. Its policies and practices set a precedent for other nations. China's commitment to sustainable development could encourage other countries to follow suit. International cooperation is essential to address the transboundary challenges facing our oceans. By working together, we can ensure the long-term health and sustainable use of our planet's most precious resource. Section 9. Conclusion: Navigating the future of our blue planet. The future of our oceans depends on our ability to balance human activities with environmental stewardship. China's ocean construction boom presents a critical test case for sustainable development. By embracing innovation, prioritizing sustainability, and fostering international cooperation, we can navigate the challenges and opportunities of our blue planet. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave for future generations.